Hi everyone, my name is Rachel and welcome to OCuSOFT. Today we're going to be going over how to use Retaine MGD. Complete dry eye relief starts with the right artificial tears. Retaine MGD is a preservative-free artificial tear that provides immediate relief and long-lasting comfort from both the signs and symptoms of dry eye. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to view all of our amazing content. So now, let's get started and see how to use OCuSOFT Retaine MGD.
Start by removing a vial from the carton. Next, twist the cap to remove it from the vial. Then, instill 1 to 2 drops in the affected eye or eyes as needed. Make sure to discard the vial afterwards.